Hello and welcome to yet another Business Central Explained video. Today I want to talk about a great event that most of us people that are working with Business Central always is looking forward to. And that is because twice a year, usually in October and in April, Microsoft launch a new main release of Business Central. And they are usually called Business Central Release Wave 1 and Release Wave 2. So we are getting two major releases of Business Central every year. And what we all are waiting for now is Business Central 2022 Release Wave 2 that we expect to be launched in October. And just recently, Microsoft announced that they are going to host an online a launch event for this version. And the good thing about these launch events is that they are completely free and they are open for both partners and end users of Business Central. So you are all welcome to register and take part in this online event. And the session will also be recorded. So if you register for the event, you will also be able to look at the recordings at your own convenience. And there is quite a lot of sessions that will be going on when this launch event starts on October 10th at 9 a.m. I assume that to be European Standard Time. So there is quite a good session of, there is quite a good list of sessions that will take part during this event, as you can see here. So lots of new things going on in the Business Central world, lots of new exciting things coming in this 2022 Release Wave 2 edition that we are waiting for. So I recommend that you all go to the launch event site. I will put a link in the description of this video and take a look at the sessions. Take a look also at all the great speakers from Microsoft that will take part in this event. I have tried to always take part in this event and they are really good. And if you're interested in Business Central, either as a partner or an end user, there is always good things to learn from these events. So again, I recommend you to go to the launch event site, register for the Business Central launch event, and take part in these online sessions. And of course, I also recommend you to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can stay updated on the greatest and latest around Business Central. Thank you for watching and have a great time until next time we hear or see each other here on YouTube. Thank you.